Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Pilot sun visor. This is a straightforward process that typically requires just one basic tool. Before you begin, make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver readily available. Good lighting will also be very helpful to clearly see the small locking mechanisms. Always proceed with caution to prevent any accidental damage to your vehicle's interior. The first step is to release the main pivot point of the sun visor. Begin by positioning the visor so it faces the windshield, as if you were blocking the sun from the front. Now, look closely at the base of the main pivot where it connects to the ceiling. You will see a small locking tab. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this tab and press it firmly inward. While maintaining pressure, rotate the entire visor 90 degrees towards the side door. This action should disengage the internal locking pin. Once the main pivot is released, gently pull the visor away from the ceiling. The other end of the visor is usually held by a simple retainer clip, which should now come free with a light tug. Many Honda Pilot visors include a vanity mirror with a light. If yours has this feature, you will find an electrical connector attached to the visor. Carefully locate the small release tab on this connector and press it to disconnect the wiring harness. Remember to pull on the connector itself, not the wires, to prevent any damage. Congratulations, your Honda Pilot sun visor is now completely removed. Take a moment to inspect the mounting points on the ceiling for any debris or damage before proceeding. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. First, reconnect the electrical harness if applicable. Then, align the secondary retainer clip and push it into place. Finally, insert the main pivot into its opening, rotate it 90 degrees back towards the windshield, and listen for a solid click to confirm it is securely locked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.